Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about how we can create a smart dustbin and garbage level monitoring. Okay, this is part number 1. In the part number 2, we are adding some other instrument like a GSM module. If our dustbin level is full, that send a message in our mobile phone, your dustbin is full. Okay, and like this type of message we can send in our mobile phone. Okay, first we need to concentrate on the part number 1. First let's go and see about the circuit diagram. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. I'm giving the description, you can easy to download this PDF file. Okay, now you see this is your Arduino Uno. In the Arduino Uno I'm defined 1 to 12 pin. Okay, and positive and ground. This is the Arduino Uno positive and ground, and in the side you see they have a negative and positive. I'm take this breadboard okay, as like a bus bar. Okay, directly connect positive and negative. If any instrument like need a 5 volt or ground, then you easily to connect to this terminal only. Okay, now you see first instrument you need to IR sensor. This is your IR sensor, and in the IR sensor have 3 pins, out pin, and out pin you need to connect to pin number 8 of your Arduino Uno. You see pin number 8. Okay, and GND directly connect to GND means negative, connect to this one, and the VCC directly connect to VCC. This is 5 volt. Okay, dark black means your 5 volt, and dark orange is your GND. Okay, next instrument, that is your ultrasonic sensor. You see this is your ultrasonic sensor. In this sensor have 4 pins. First VCC direct connect to VCC, and the last one is your GND, and you need to connect to GND this terminal. Okay, I forget to connect this one. Okay, you need to connect GND to your orange. This is your GND negative. Okay, and the TR is trigger pin. You need to connect to pin number 11 of your Arduino, and ACHO pin you need to connect pin number 12 of your Arduino Uno. Okay, and the next one is your servo motor. In the servo motor have a same 3 pins. One like you see in the brown color, that's indicate GND, and middle red color define VCC, connect to 5 volt, and the last one is signal wire. You need to connect signal wire to pin number 7 of your Arduino Uno. Okay, all done. Now the last part is your LED. Okay, those indicate the dustbin level, or we can say garbage level. Okay, now low means if your like dustbin is empty. Okay, and the half means your dustbin is half full, and the full means fully full your dustbin. That's time these LEDs indicate. Okay, these are the 3 LEDs: low, half, and full. Okay, and low like we can say one LED you need to connect pin number 4 of your Arduino Uno, and second one connect to the pin number 5, third pin number 6. Okay, and the LED have a 2 terminals, positive and negative. All positive connect to your Arduino Uno like 4, 5, 6, and the negative you need to common these all negative pins and the connect to GND like this. Okay, now this is your circuit diagram. You can easy to download from description and start to create. Now let's come on the Arduino Uno. Okay, first I will show you the hardware. Okay guys, you see this is hardware. Okay, I'm show you the example like this. Okay, this is automatic open close. Okay, right now this is the first instrument, IR sensor. Okay, and you can replace with your ultrasonic sensor, because I have only IR sensor right now. That's why I'm attached IR sensor, because this range is very low. That's why I'm saying to you attach the ultrasonic sensor or other sensor for a high range like this. Okay, this is first IR sensor, and this second, this is 3 LEDs, low, half, and full. Okay, 3 LEDs. Okay, the next one is your servo motor. This is your servo motor when is some nearby this and like this. Okay, and I am giving the value that is 0 to 120 degree. Like you see right now it's 120 degree, you see. Okay, the next one is your ultrasonic sensor. This is ultrasonic sensor. Okay, I'm attached on like in this side, but please remember, and if you are going to make this this type of hardware, and attach this ultrasonic sensor to the middle for high efficiency. Okay, I forget to attach in the center, that's why I face a little problem. Okay, now the connection is same, and this is our Arduino Uno. Okay, and this is our bus bar, and this is like negative and positive as like this. Okay, this is the connection. Okay guys, now let's come on the Arduino Uno programming. Okay, now this is your Arduino Uno, and this in the description you can easy to download. Okay, now let's understand what's going on in this programming. Okay, first this is servo motor. We need to define a library of your servo motor. Okay, hash include servo.h, and help of servo we are create a variable that is my servo. You can change as per recommend, like enter any name. Okay, this is only simple variable. Okay, now the int and servo position, right now we are defined in the servo position is 0 in the starting time. Okay, and the next one is this IR sensor pins. Okay, int integer IR sensor, it is variable, you can create any as per your requirement. Okay, right now I'm entering IR sensor 8 means this IR sensor connect to the pin number 8 of your Arduino Uno. And int IR data, I am create a simple variable for further use. Okay, the next is ultrasonic sensor pins. Okay, these are the two pins. First you need to pin number 11, and second is pin number 12 as per your circuit diagram, Okay, the next one is your, this is LED connections, low pin number 4, half pin number 5, full pin number 6. This is all of your pin connections. Okay, now let's come on the setup for first define. Okay, void setup serial dot begin. Okay, 9600 is your baud rate. Okay, I think you already know because in every video I define everything. Okay, this is a pin mode. This is parameter define, like trigger pin is your ultrasonic pin number 1. Okay, this is output, and the next one is your input. Okay, same as IR sensor as like a input, that's why I'm define here input. Okay, and low and half full, this is LEDs, that's why I'm in define output. Okay, now all done. And very important things, my servo dot attach. My servo is your variable, you see my servo, that's why I define here my servo dot attached which pin number I'm entering 7 pin number of our Arduino Uno. All done. Now this is I'm take again variables long, duration and distance for our ultrasonic sensor. Okay, for high range, that's why I'm defined to the data type is a long. Okay, now let's final step is our void loop for continuity operation. Okay, now servo and IR sensor logic. Okay, this if serial dot available means if your serial monitor, like this serial monitor or help of LabVIEW logic if available, that time this programming, or we can say this logic is execute like this one. Okay, now let's see. First character, this is I'm create a variable, character is data type Pradeep. Okay, serial dot read, if serial dot available, then you enter something, that's value store in Pradeep. Okay, and the next condition, if Pradeep equal F means if in your serial monitor you are enter F, that time this condition is execute. Okay, this condition we are execute help of our LabVIEW. Okay, right now you remember if Pradeep equal F in the serial monitor, that time this condition is execute. In this condition, like it has a 3 LED. In this 3 LED, one LED is glow, that is full. If your dustbin is full, that time this LED is indicate. Okay, and the status defined dustbin level full. Okay, same if else if Pradeep equal H I define the serial monitor. If you are enter H in serial monitor, that time this condition is execute. In this condition, like this LED is indicate, that is half. If your dustbin is half, then LED is glow, other is off. Okay, and the status is dustbin level half. Same as like dustbin level low, that time this LED, like your low LED is glow, other is off. Okay, this condition. The next is like I'm created, this is your function deep. Okay, this is your function. Okay, this is logic for your IR sensor. Okay, and this is variable for store a value of your digital read. I'm defined in between IR sensor your digital, that's why I'm define IR sensor here. Detect any object, that time store a value 1 in IR data, otherwise store 0. Okay, if the condition this one, if IR data equal 0, that time this condition is execute. In this time I'm operate servo motor. Okay, my servo dot write. Okay, my servo is your variable dot write. Okay, and you need to enter 120 degree. Okay, that time your servo motor from 0 to 120 degree, it's open. Okay, and the cell monitor define, or we can say enter the message that is open. Okay, and after 1 second it's come to this one else. If your value is 1, if like if detect any object, that time your servo motor is 0. Okay, as like this close, and the status is close. Okay, this is the function, and this is your deep I already defined here. You see, this is the variable, oh sorry, this is the function, the function. Okay, that time come here, and it's this is ultrasonic logic. Okay, ultrasonic sensor logic. Digital write trigger pin low first time, then waited 2 millisecond. Okay, then again high for like there have two object in the ultrasonic sensor, one is receiving and the other is sending, like this. Okay, that's why this is the logic of ultrasonic sensor. Okay, help of this serial.println, we define the distance of our ultrasonic sensor. Okay, now this is our programming. Okay, first you can try, if you are want to try, then first what you see there are serial monitor. First you need to upload in your Arduino. I already uploaded, that's why I open the serial monitor for testing purpose. Okay, now you see, okay, now your ultrasonic range is 124 124 like this. Okay, right now you see there have no one LEDs indicate, because in our programming we are define help of our serial monitor. Okay, that's operate in LabVIEW. Okay, when nearby the sensor, and you see the dustbin open, and okay, and gate is open, and you see in the serial monitor have open status. Okay, and now you see it's a closed status. Okay, it's working fine. If you are enter F here, like I am entering F means your one LED is on, like you see. Okay, and the dustbin level full, it's like a forcefully we are testing. If H means high, you see, L means low, you see, it's working very well. But right now we are doing half forcefully for testing purpose. In the LabVIEW it's automatic operate. Okay, now all done. Let's come on the LabVIEW. Okay, now close this one. Okay, and save this and download from description this programming. Okay, this is our LabVIEW programming, and I'm going to tell step by step in every single step. Okay, that's why in the side by side you also create this programming right now. Okay, now first create a while loop for continuity operation. Okay, and first you need to visa open, right click here and come to instrument IO and visa and pin this. Okay, first you need, first is the visa open advanced, and you see this is open, directly drag here like this. Okay, again you need a visa read for read data, then again come here and read like this. Again visa write like this. Again you need a visa read, and again visa read. Okay, close this. Okay, step by step I'm going to tell you every single step. Okay, follow this. Okay, now first you the this visa resource name, this one, this is your COM port. You see, help of this you can easy to select your COM. Okay, okay, the next step is this visa read. Okay, in the visa read have a byte count. Okay, first you need to create a control, because help of this we can set a value, or we can say set a like a serial output, or we can say serial status in our LabVIEW. Okay, that's why you need to create a control. Okay, the next one is your read buffer. This is your output string. I am entering ultrasonic distance. Okay, help of byte. Okay, this is the second step. Now I delete this one and this one. Okay, right now you see this is your string value. Okay, now we need to convert string into numeric. How you can do this? Right click and come to string, and you see numeric string conversion, and you need to select this one. Okay, string to numeric like this. Okay, and string terminal you need to connect this one, and this is your number. Okay, okay, now this is very important logic, because help of this your LEDs on and off as well as status also. Okay, like LED low, high, medium, like this half, as well as status also your dustbin is full, half, low, help of this condition, or we can say this logic. Okay, now I delete this one. Okay, now you see first I'm create this let's create a visible label for all, so easy to understand. Okay, first is less. Now right click here and come to comparison and pin this one, and you see there have every function, okay, every comparison like greater, less, greater to, equal to, as per you need you can attach. First I am attached less this one, and I am entering 70. If the value is less than 71, that's time define dustbin level full. Okay, why I'm attached dustbin level full? Because ultrasonic range it's give, like if my dustbin is full, that time give 71 value. Okay, near or we can say less than 71 value. That's why I'm defined this logic. Okay, if you want to test, then you need to run this your Arduino code. Okay, help of this you easy to know what's about the range if your dustbin is full. Okay, that's why I'm created this logic. And the second one is like this two logic, greater if the value is greater than 72 and the less than 122, that time it's operate. Okay, this is like we can say AND condition. This two is as like AND condition. Okay, like if this value is true, that's time give to this one terminal of the AND, and the second if this one is true, that's come on Y. Okay, after the output is true. If like if X and Y both are true, that time output is true. If X is false and Y is true, that time output is false. Again, if X is false, Y is true, again output is false. Okay, that's why it's AND condition. Next one is if the value is greater than 121, that time it's execute and the output is your dustbin level low. Means your dustbin is empty, that's why ultrasonic sensor range is high, and it's define this level, define this logic, dustbin level low. Okay, now I close this. Okay, and this is very important part. Okay, this is very important part, because help of this you send the character in your serial monitor. Like in the programming you see how like Pradeep, if Pradeep equal F, that time it's execute H for this and low for this. Okay, that's why that's why you see first time this F, this H, and this L. Okay, F means full. If your dustbin is full, that time this execute, and if your dustbin is low, that time this execute. If your dustbin is half, that time this condition execute. Okay, now you see, select, right click here and come to comparison, and you need to choose this select terminal like this. Okay, in the select have first is S means switch, or we can say state. Okay, if high or low like this. Okay, and T means true if your switch is true, like if this condition is true, like I am attached on this switch, if this condition is true, that time your F is sent to your output. Otherwise this this is your false condition in the end. Like you see, terminal is F means false, T means true. Okay, all done. If this condition is execute, like if your temperature is less than 70, sorry, not a temperature, if your ultrasonic range or distance is less than 71, that time this execute, this terminal is true, and this value is sent to your output F, and the F is gone to this wire, and in this wire then this output and sent to visa right, and this value is go to like this condition. This condition is execute, that time F, and display dustbin level full, and the full light is your on. Okay, same like this your half and your low level like this. Okay, connection same as like this. Dustbin is like small size or a large size, that time you need to change this value as per your requirement. Okay, that's why I'm choose this visa right for turn on our LED as well as status also. Right now I delete this one. Then the next one is visa read. This one is for servo status. Okay, servo status means like you see in the servo I'm attached this one, like this IR sensor is activate, that time status is open, else your status is closed. Okay, that's why I'm take this serial visa read. For help of this byte count, we set servo status in this indicator. Okay, and again is visa read again. This is for dustbin status. Dustbin status is this one, help of this one, like full, half, or less, like this one. Now let's control E. Okay, this is your visa resource. Okay, select your COM, connect your Arduino Uno. Okay, and this is your stop button for your this loop, and you need to define only 100 millisecond delay. Okay, this is visa close for circuit, close your circuit. Okay, this is programming. Now let's test it. Okay, this is byte 1 2 3 and this is indicator. Okay, now what you do, let's okay, have some problem. Yes, you need to delete this one. Control as save, right, control now first let's click to run this program. Okay, first you need to set your byte count. Okay, right now I'm at here like 100 for maximum. Okay, and like I'm at 16 and here like 4. Okay, now let's increase 5 6. Okay, now set, you see ultrasonic value this one, and this is your servo status close. Right now your dustbin is closed and this is your dustbin level full. Okay, now wait a few seconds for like initialize this one. Okay, take out dust from dustbin. Okay, now wait. Okay, right now you see your dustbin is low, dustbin level is low, and low level indication, you see this is your low level indication. And when I turn on, and you see right now dustbin is empty. Okay, and this is like a dust. I'm really sorry for this. Okay, and now let's what we do, I'm going to enter some dust in dustbin like this. Okay, okay, like this. In the LabVIEW define dustbin level half. Okay, now what you do, right now I have only a few paper. Okay, let's try it's define the full or not. Okay guys, and you see right now dustbin is full. Okay, and please one thing, you need like ultrasonic sensor, you need to attach in the center for high efficiency, and you can change this IR sensor replace with ultrasonic for high range. Right now it's only detect like nearby this only. Okay, if this one, they should not detect like this. Okay, that's why you can change these two things. One ultrasonic in attach in the center of your dustbin, and replace IR sensor with ultrasonic sensor, or any as per your need. Okay, and this is our output, and right now our dustbin is full, that's why it's defined full. Okay, now you see now I remove all dust from dustbin, and in the LabVIEW you see dustbin level is low. Okay, and the servo status is close, ultrasonic resistance is 140, nearby 140, and status is dustbin level low. And you see, okay guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt, then message me, I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys.